Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wanted to manage multiple villages in Clash of Clans? It's a fantastic way to explore new strategies, or simply start fresh without impacting your main progress. Thankfully, making a second account is quite straightforward, and this guide will walk you through the process step by step. We'll cover the latest methods for both Android and iOS devices, ensuring you're ready to expand your empire by 2025. The fundamental principle behind creating a new Clash of Clans account is simple. You need a distinct Google Play Games account for Android or a new Apple ID for iOS. Each of these unique ID essentially allows you to link to a completely fresh game state, independent of your main village. This means you'll be starting from scratch, ready to build your new base from the very beginning. For Android users, your journey begins with creating a brand new Google account if you don't already have one. Once that's done, add this new Google account to your device through your settings menu. Then, launch Clash of Clans and access the settings within the game. From there, you'll simply connect to your new Google Play Games account, and Clash will prompt you to start a fresh village. It's that easy to begin a new adventure. If you're on an iOS device, the process is quite similar, focusing on your Apple ID. First, you'll need to sign out of your current Game Center account. Next, create a completely new Apple ID if you haven't done so already, and sign into Game Center with that new ID. When you launch Clash of Clans, the game should then give you the option to start a new village linked to this fresh Apple ID. Just confirm the new game, and you're good to go. Switching between your Clash of Clans accounts is actually quite simple once they are set up. Just head into the game settings and use the Google Play Games or Apple ID connection buttons to log in with your desired account. Always remember to securely link each village to its own unique ID so you don't risk overriding any progress. With a little care, you can enjoy managing multiple villages effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.